Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the details of the INTEX 26325EH Ultra XTR Deluxe above-ground swimming pool set. If you're in the market for the best 16-foot by 48-inch pool, you're in the right place. Let's explore why this pool stands out from the rest. The INTEX 26325EH Ultra XTR Deluxe is not your average above-ground pool. It combines durability, ease of assembly, and superior design to offer a premium swimming experience right in your backyard. This pool features a uniquely designed frame made from high-quality galvanized steel, coupled with a precision-engineered locking system. This ensures unparalleled stability and durability, backed by a generous 2-year warranty. Setting up the Ultra XTR Deluxe is a breeze, taking just 45 minutes. Thanks to the easy lock system, the frame components snap together effortlessly without the need for extra tools or pins. Encapsulated with inner and outer powder coating, the pool is engineered to resist rust effectively. Even the T-joints are infused with UV inhibitors, ensuring long-term weather resistance and durability. Made from puncture-resistant 3-ply PVC material, the pool can withstand the rigors of regular use. Should any damage occur, a patch is conveniently included for quick repairs. Included with the pool is the crystal clear sand filter pump, featuring a 1500 GPH cartridge sand filter. This ensures excellent water filtration, offering multiple functions like filtering, backwashing, rinsing, recirculating, draining, and system closing. It's perfect for families looking to enjoy a hassle-free swimming experience at home. The pool's robust construction and easy maintenance make it a practical choice for any backyard setting. With its generous size and durable build, it promises years of enjoyment without compromising on quality. In conclusion, the INTEX 26325EH Ultra XTR Deluxe above-ground swimming pool is the epitome of quality, durability, and ease of use. Whether you're hosting summer gatherings or simply enjoying a refreshing swim, this pool exceeds expectations. If you're ready to elevate your backyard experience, look no further than the Ultra XTR Deluxe. That wraps up our review of the INTEX 26325EH Ultra XTR Deluxe. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful product reviews. Stay tuned to Product Critique for the latest in home and garden essentials. Thanks for watching.